Hello, good morning. What's up again? Gagawa tayo ng Greek coffee. Today we make a Greek coffee. We have a water, small cup, and coffee, Greek coffee, and sugar, and cup for the coffee, to make the coffee on the fire. Okay, so we start now. Okay, so we put the 1 teaspoon of coffee only, because it's a small cup. Then half sugar, because me, I diet. So half sugar, depend you want. If you want to sweet, more sugar, and water. So mix until the sugar natunaw siya, going in the coffee. Now we put in the fire now. So we start to put this coffee. Yeah. See? Start boiling now. Watch how to boil. Make bubbles. Wow, smell aroma. It smell good. This is great coffee. Now it's okay. So we transfer now. Yes. Yes. So, great coffee, right? Smell good. So, right, great coffee. Smell nice. Wow. Very good coffee. Very good. So see you next time. Again, my coffee adventure. Okay, thank you for watching and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.